In this video, I want to share with you some tips on how to fix Windows 11 lagging, and this can be done in a very few moments. So let's dive in without wasting much of our time. First, come to this place, type run, then click on this run button. It comes out like this, then type in 6dm.cpl, hit the enter button. It brings to this interface. Then click on advanced button. Then under performance, click on settings. Now you have different options here. Let Windows choose what best for my computer. Adjust for best performance, adjust for best performance. So go ahead and click on custom button. Now make sure that this one is checked. Animation in the taskbar, show thumbnail instead of icon, smooth edges of the screen font. Click on apply, then click on OK. This will fix that problem. The next thing you have to do is to reduce the number of apps that start up whenever you tap on the power button on your PC. This can be very simple, guys. It means going to access the taskbar or the task manager. To access the task manager on your PC is very simple. Right click on the start menu button here, click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, you have something like this. Come to this button that is like this speedometer button. This is where and that is the startup button. Now take a look at all the apps you have here. Make sure you disable all the unwanted apps, most especially those apps that has impact on the CPU, where you see high, low and others. Disable everything like the ones on the screen. Just right click and click on disable. You can just click on any of it like this, come to this side and click on disable. This will help you fix that problem. The next one is to go to the settings button and click on it. Click on this start menu button, click on settings. Once you click on settings, it comes out like this. Go to privacy and security at this side, click on it. Once you click on it, then scroll down, you have Windows permission, then we have apps permission. A lot of permission you allow on your device are the reason your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC is lagging. So here is what you need to do. The first one is general ID. Click on it. Make sure that everything here is turned off. If any one of this is turned on, turn it off. Go back again, go to speech, then make sure the speech is also turned off. If it turns on, turn it off. Then inking and typing permission, click on it as well, turn it off. If it is turned on your device, turn it off. Then diagnostic and feedback, click on it, turn it off. If it is turned on, make sure you turn it off. So scroll down and turn off every activities on this place. Then your activity history as well, click on it and turn it off. It is very crucial to turn it off. Now scroll up again until you have access to searching window, click on it. If it is turned on, turn it off. Compulsory, turn that off. That may be the reason your Windows PC is lagging. You are still under permission now. Under app permission, these are the set of apps or some of the apps you have on your device. Make use of this for performance. And if you think or you know that you are not using any of these apps, then go ahead and turn it off. Let's start from location. Click on it. Now most of these apps here are using my location, which I don't want, like this one. Turn it on, turn it off. Get up, turn it off. Then you can take a look at it here. Photo settings, all these, they are wasting my data. Make sure you turn them off. This, turn it off. Windows shell experiment, that you may allow that one. We do them. This one, let desktop app access location, turn it off. Then come to this one, allow location override, turn it off. Now this will prevent your computer from lagging. Then go ahead and come back to the place again. Then go to this one that says camera. If you know that you don't use camera settings on your device, like my own, I don't use camera, turn it off completely so that none of this app will access my camera. Then that will also prevent your device from lagging. Then microphone, if you notice that you don't use microphone then on your device, then go ahead and turn it off. Like all these junks, to me they are junks and they consume more of my data. So why will I allow them? Then let me turn them off. So after microphone, you can come to voice activation. And if you don't use your voice activation, I will encourage you to disable it as well. Disable microphone. Then scroll down again. There are so many options here you can disable. Under contact, go to your contacts and disable everything. If your contact is not synced with your mail account on your Windows device, then calendar, go to calendar and turn off calendar. I prefer using Google Calendar or any other calendar I have for my other devices for my laptop to run very fast. Then phone calls as well. Always disable phone call. If you don't use your phone call on your device, if you use them, you may allow it to run perfectly. But if you don't normally use them, I will encourage you to disable it. The memory email is another thing that you need to disable. If you don't use the Hotmail on your device, then disable it because it makes your device to lag. I mean, your device will run slowly. Another thing that you need to disable is radio, messages, then other devices. If you have some other devices not connected, then you may turn off this setting. But if you want to connect other devices via Bluetooth, then let this one active so that you don't run into problem while trying connecting other devices, your device, your computer. Then radio is another thing that you need to turn off. Then app diagnostic, turn it off. Auto file download, I will encourage you, don't allow this. Turn it off. If it is allowed on your own, turn it off. Then scroll down to any other document, turn it off. Delete folder, music library, picture, videos, files, all of those things you have here, turn them off. Like this one now. This is screenshot border settings, blah blah. Turn them off. They are of no use to your device. Make sure you turn off everything. So with this, guys, turned off on your device will run smoothly. Then your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC will keep performing to the best. And that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to like, and see you soon, guys, in our next video.